Hey everyone! Welcome to today's guide where we're tackling a common challenge, raising $100 in just one day. Whether you're facing an unexpected expense, want to kickstart a savings goal, or simply need some quick cash, I've got you covered. In this step-by-step walkthrough, we'll explore practical and creative ways to achieve your goal. So let's dive in and discover how you can raise $100 in a single day. Section 1. Immediate Cash Solutions 1. Sell unused items. Scan your home for items you no longer need or use. Consider selling these items through online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or a neighborhood garage sale. Quick cash and decluttering, win-win. Gig economy opportunities. Explore gig economy platforms like TaskRabbit, where you can offer your skills for various tasks like cleaning, organizing, or running errands. These quick jobs can add up to $100 or more by the end of the day. Offer services. Think about your skills and offer services to your community, whether it's pet sitting, tutoring, or handyman work. Providing a service can generate quick income. Day labor. Check local job listings for one-day gigs or day labor opportunities. Construction sites, event setups, or moving assistants often need extra hands for short-term assignments. Section 2. Online fundraising and crowdsourcing. Crowdfunding campaign. Create a crowdfunding campaign on platforms like GoFundMe or Kickstarter. Clearly outline your goal, share your story, and promote your campaign through social media to reach a wider audience. Digital products or services. If you have a skill or talent, consider creating digital products or services to sell quickly. This could include ebooks, online courses, or graphic design services. Donation-based live stream. Engage with your online community through a donation-based live stream. Whether it's gaming, creating art, or sharing your expertise, ask for donations from your audience to reach your $100 target. Virtual garage sale. Host a virtual garage sale on social media. Showcase items you're willing to sell, set reasonable prices, and arrange for quick pickups or digital transactions. Section 3. Community engagement. Ask for odd jobs. Reach out to friends, family, and neighbors for odd jobs they might need help with. This could include lawn care, cleaning, or running errands. White. Babysitting or pet sitting. Offer your babysitting or pet sitting services for the day. Many people appreciate reliable and trustworthy caregivers, especially on short notice. Local events and markets. Check for local events or markets happening in your area. Some may allow you to set up a small booth or offer a service for a fee. Conclusion. And there you have it. Practical strategies to raise $100 in just one day. Remember, flexibility and creativity are your allies in this quest. Whether you're leveraging online platforms, engaging with your community, or offering services, the key is to take action quickly. So pick the strategies that align with your skills and resources and get started on your journey to reaching that $100 goal. Best of luck, and here's to your financial success.